superconductor, metal alloy semiconductor. Superconductor very high thermal conductivity below critical temperature. Metals have high conductivity due to free electrons. Who among the following has the least thermal conductivity? Semiconductor. Thermal conductivity superconductor, metal superconductor better than metal. Semiconductor greater than alloy. Alloy is greater than semiconductor. Metal is greater than alloy. Superconductor greater than metal. Thermal conductivity. Least thermal conductivity. Semiconductor. Very high thermal conductivity below critical temperature. Metals have a high conductivity. Metals have high conductivity. Semiconductor. Metal have high conductivity due to free electrons. Alloy have lower conductivity than pure metals due to lattice distortion. Semiconductor have the least among least. This because they have very few free electrons. At a normal temperature, free electrons few. Symbol of material used in conventional glass. Mercury. Used in glass thermometers because it expands. Mercury used in glass thermometer because it expands uniformly with the temperature. Does not wet glass. Mercury is used in glass thermometer because it expands uniformly. Uniformly with temperatures. Does not wet glass. Does not. Has a wide liquid range. -30°C. Magnesium, manganese, thermometer mercury. Temperature of variation of a land near sea is very less compared to temperature variation of a land near sea, very less compared to that far from sea. Actually, sea absorbs the heat. This is the moderating effect of sea. Marine influence water has a marine influence. High specific heat capacity water, specific heat. Sea heat ups and cools down very slowly. Heats up and cools down compared to land. So it absorbs heat in summer and releases heat in winters, keeping nearby coastal areas cooler in summer and warmer in winters. Other heat in summer, release heat in winters. That reduce temperature variations. High heat capacity of humid air. Odda is partly true, but the main reason is the sea's high specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity. Disaster. Influenced by the climate change. A disaster is most likely to be influenced. Earthquake. Climate change directly affects tropical cyclones. Which disaster most likely to influenced by the climate change? Tropical cyclones because warmer ocean temperature, provide more energy for storms. This increases their intensity. Rainfall and frequency increase their intensity, rainfall and frequency. Earthquakes caused by the tectonic plate movement. Tsunami most caused by the undersea earthquakes, landslides or volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption caused by the geological activity inside Earth. Tropical cyclones driven by heat from warm ocean water. Climate change, warmer oceans, stronger cyclones. IPCC Inter Panel for Climate Change confirms Moon's gravitational impact on the Earth. Tidal waves are caused by which of the following gravitational interaction? Tidal waves. Tidal waves से moon's gravitational impact on the earth. Tidal waves से tides are mainly caused by the moon's gravitational pull on the earth. Question. Sun also affect tides, but the moon's effect is about 2.2 times. 2.2 times stronger because it's closer. Moon's effect is about 2.2 times stronger because it's closer. Tidal waves usually means tides, not tsunami. Tidal wave used to mean tsunami, not tsunami. Square shaped hole is formed in metal sheet with linear thermal expansion. Size of the hole decreased by 10%. The sheet is cooled by 100 degrees Celsius. Following best describes the term deep ecologism, a philosophy that believes that humans should radically change their relationship with nature. Humans should radically change their relationships with nature. Deep ecology coined by deep ecology. The term deep ecologism, a philosophy that believes that humans should radically change the relationships with nature. Radically change the relationships. Shallow ecology means deep ecology coined by the Aryan deep ecology.